Did you hear on the news that the plastic straws are killing the marine animals?
Yeah, I heard about that.
What? But I just bought a case of plastic straws.
Good afternoon. I will be your waitress today. What do you want for your drink?
Could I have a strawberry lemonade?
Can I have water, please, and thank you?
I will have a Coke, please.
I'll be back with the water. Here is your strawberry lemonade.
Thank you.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
And here is your Coke.
Thank you.
No, we don't need plastic straws. They're endangering marine animals.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah, the straws are killing our turtles.
Does it only kill marine animals?
No, not at all.
Do you know that it can also harm humans? It doesn't just get in our oceans, it also gets into our lakes and rivers. The straws are dissolving so small that we cannot see them, so we could be drinking them.
We come from California, and those are banned there. It is placed as a law there because the problem is bad. The ocean is so big that they can't clean it all. They can't clean all of the plastic.
Well, isn't it good that they're placing laws?
Yeah, but not everyone follows the rules. It is not as easy to clean up as you think. Straws can break down in the ocean. More than 3 out of 4 of the plastic that's in the ocean is dissolved. There's a couple things that scientists are saying that it could be sinking.
Wow, so many turtles just die because of our plastic straws.
Yes, over hundreds of straws are used daily. 50 million each day. And unfortunately, they end up in the ocean. There's over 1 million marine animals that die each year. We're not only adding millions of tons of trash, polluting our seas, but are ingested by the huge numbers of seabirds and marine animals, sea turtles especially. Mistakes straws and plastic straws for our food, often leading to infections and death. However, not that plastic straws also pollute our ocean.
Do you have different straws instead of plastic straws?
We have plastic straws, but aren't plastics as bad as plastics? We use trees.
Paper is bad.
We use trees and we use them only once.
Is there any other alternatives?
We have 9 straws. My boss keeps them stashed. Here's your straws.
Wow, where did your boss purchase them?
Right here.
I'm intrigued. What can I do to help?
There are 3 steps that you can help to make a difference. Step 1, informing people about the plastic straws. They're endangering sea turtles and other marine animals too.
How can I do that?
We can tell people about the cause. They know it's a problem. The marine animals are endangered, plus sea turtles.
The second step is to start a petition. Inform people what they're causing and what's being affected, and raise an awareness.
The final step is we can just use metal straws or paper straws, and it will solve everything.
Great idea.
Skip the straws, save the turtle.
Here's a paper straw.